In this video, I will explain how to download and install the mobile app, how to navigate, how to create an expense from a photo, and finally, how to create a bill. To download the ClearBooks mobile app, just search for ClearBooks in the App Store or the Google Play Store and tap Download. Once downloaded and installed, tap on the ClearBooks mobile app icon on your mobile device. Log in using your email address and password credentials that you use to log into ClearBooks on the web. Select the business that you would like to use if you have more than one. You will now arrive at the dashboard menu. If you have the appropriate permissions, you will be able to see the Purchases widget on the dashboard. The Purchases widget will display the amount outstanding from all bills on this ClearBooks account. This figure factors in any credit notes and unallocated payments. The overdue amount is based on the value of all overdue bills less any overdue credit notes. The Purchases widget also links to the top 3 largest outstanding bills. You can tap on each amount to view or edit the details of these bills. Now let's switch to the Purchases menu at the bottom. This menu has a tab which displays a list of both your bills and expenses. You can filter the list of bills by paid, unpaid, or draft. You can view, edit, or even delete these bills by tapping on the appropriate row. If you are an admin user, the Expenses tab will display all employee expenses. Otherwise, you will see a list of your own expenses on the Expense tab. You can filter this view by draft, unapproved, and approved. To perform an action in the mobile app, head back to the dashboard or the Purchases menu and tap on the plus icon in the blue circle. This will bring up a list of the available options. In this demonstration, I will add an expense from a photo and also create a bill. The 2 other options are a very similar process and are explored in further depth in separate guides. Let's start by creating an expense from a photo. Take a picture of the full receipt. Try and make sure all the information on the receipt is legible. The app will use optical character recognition technology to read the data and populate the expense form. Check through the details of the expense form and make any changes if necessary. Tap the tick to complete the expense. Next, let's create a bill. Tap on the plus icon in the blue circle and select the Create Bill option. First, select a supplier. If the supplier does not exist, just type the name and tap the Add icon. If the supplier does exist, then the default account code, VAT rate, and project will be populated if you have entered these on the Contacts menu in your account. Next, add a date for the bill. Finally, tap on the Add Items option. Here you will need to add a description of the item you are adding, an account code, the quantity, the unit price, and also the VAT rate. Tap on the tick at the top to complete. You can add as many items as necessary. Each item contributes to the subtotal, VAT, and total at the bottom. Tap the tick to complete the bill. Finally, on the Settings menu, you can view which account you are currently logged into and can switch to another by tapping on the name if you are the user on more than one account. Thank you for watching the ClearBooks mobile app overview video. You can view more in-depth guides about the mobile app or any other features on our Help Guide menu. Also, if you have any additional queries, our friendly UK-based support team are always happy to help out.